All right. Now we've gotten to the last example of this whole section itself, 7.3, and we're going to verify now. This whole great thing that people love to do, taking one side and making it equal to the other side without changing anything on the other side. So we have two sides here going on. Verify that secant pi plus a equals negative secant a is an identity. So we have to keep one side and change the other side to match up. So I'm going to keep this right side here, negative secant a, and we're going to change the secant a plus secant pi plus a to the other, change that to this side here so it matches up exactly. So we're going to use what we know, and it's kind of what we did in the homework earlier today. Secant is 1 over cosine. So we're going to change this to 1 over cosine pi plus a. Using our reciprocal identity, which I know you guys remember. So we're going to go ahead and work this out now, break this apart using that the sum of cosine identity. So we're going to do cosine pi, cosine a, change the signs, C for change, and then we do sine pi, sine a, all in the denominator. All right. Once again, going back to our chart, we're going to use the values again. So it's going to be 1 over cosine of pi. It's going to be negative 1. Cosine of a stays cosine a. We're going to multiply that by negative 1. It's going to be minus sine of pi is 0. And sine of a is just sine of a. So, looking at this once again, we're going to multiply and simplify the stuff down. So we have 1 on top still. Negative 1 times cosine a is negative cosine a. We're going to do minus 0 times sine of a. But 0 times anything is just 0. So minus 0 is like minus nothing. So we just keep it as 1 over cosine a. 1 over a negative cosine a. Using our reciprocal identity, that is a negative secant a. And that's exactly what we're looking for. A negative secant a. That's it. That was very simple and easy. As you know, in class, it's not always that simple and easy.
Good afternoon, First faculty and staff. These are your afternoon announcements. Danville Parks and Recreation is hosting Christmas in the Park from 6 to 9.